just finally come to an end. It's a Mercedes Vito 2021. So it's been a full Audison kit out. So yes, you've got my favourite Forza, you've got APK 165, okay, you've got the 10-inch Audison sub. We've also done obviously thinkware dash cams, and we've got the DRC controller so you can adjust the music. So if we start from the back, okay, so you've got obviously that, okay, that's all Velcro. That's so the customer obviously, he is limited for space here, but if you ever wanted to take it out, it's on a quick release plug, it can be taken out within 10 seconds, guys. Okay, so again, the backs obviously we've put that back together, so we've got speakers in the back. Now both sides, when we had everything stripped out, seats out, panels out, the whole back has been completely sound deadened, guys. So if you do want to see obviously some of our sound deadening work, obviously do go on our Instagram where we will be uploading the pictures. Okay, so all the doors have been out. So custom speaker adapters we made. You've got your tweeters. So everything is in the factory location, so everything looks stealth. Look at it, no one will be none the wiser, but it's when you listen to it, guys, that's when it's hit. If I get Richard just to show you where the DRC controller is as well, so we'll hit it nicely. Yeah, and that flap can actually close as well. So Richard, if you just close it for me as well, so now it's completely hidden. Yeah, when you want to open it, you just push it up. There we go. Nice and stealth, guys, completely hidden, completely out of the way. Okay, so this has gone through a full 8-channel, and then obviously 9-channel is a sub 3 out. Okay, so it's gone through the 4s at 8.9 bit. Okay, as you can hear it, guys, it's unbelievable. You know, just pure quality. And guys, if you're after quality, you don't need to look any further than Audison. Audison is the one. If you ask me what I've got, I can have anything, guys. I've got Audison. There's a reason why I've got Audison. I've got an E30 as well. I've taken a few days off because you know what, my E30 has been a 4-year project. It's coming to an end now. Now the next stage is the audio, which is the last and final stage. Now, again, I can go for anything I want. There's a reason why I'm going for Audison. It doesn't break the bank, but it hits that nice, affordable price. And obviously we do encourage you guys, obviously in the next month and a half, the E30 will be finished as well. So any of you guys that have classic cars, Mercedes, Triumphs, whatever you have, guys, come down, have a listen, you know, and give you an idea of what we can do on the old school cars as well. But this is an idea of what we do. Everything looks stealth, everything looks factory, you can't go wrong. Guys, you can direct message us on Instagram at Car Sound Security. You can give us a call on 0208 554 5554. Okay, or you can email us at info@carsoundsecurity.com. Or better yet, you know what? Why don't you come in, drop in and see us? We're next to Burton's Performance. So if you type in the postcode IG2 India Golf 26 Quebec Alpha, it'll bring you on the corner of Eastern Avenue and Candy Gardens. Hop in and come and see us. We're open for business as usual, guys. Alright, thanks for watching.